Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and don't forget to press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture is very beautiful. You can see the decoration and the decoration, all the wall decoration, very beautiful decoration, the mirrors, and this also you can see the modern room, decoration. It's very beautiful decoration. You can see it's looking very beautiful also. And this also you can see the beautiful place. You can keep your clothes and all, anything you can keep beautiful. And so also you can see the roof, the wall, and all beautiful wall. You can see it's looking very good. And the front also you can see the wall, the beautiful mirror wall. You can see it looking very beautiful, very good also. And the floor, the black color. This also you can see it is very beautiful. You can see the mirror, lights, the floor, the cupboards, and all very beautiful decoration. You can see it's very beautiful, looking very beautiful. And this also you can see it is very beautiful, looking very beautiful. This also the mirror, you can see the black color theme and all, very beautiful mirror. You can see the decoration. And this also you can see it is very beautiful. You can see the roof, the floor down, two floors are there, very beautiful floors. You can see looking very good. And also you can see it is very beautiful, the mirror and all. You can see it is very beautiful mirror. I love this also. And this also you can see it is very beautiful decoration, the wall, it's beautiful decoration of wall. You can see it is looking very good. This also you can see the roof, the floor, the bed and all, beautiful bed and all. You can see it is looking very good, very nice also. And this also you can see it is very beautiful, the roof, the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. It is looking very good also. And this also you can see it is very beautiful, it's looking very good. This one also the beautiful decoration. You can see the good decoration. And this one you can see it is very beautiful decoration. It's looking very good. And the decoration, and also it's also very beautiful, the green color bed, the chair, and also I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment now and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care.